It's really raining heavily here. Everywhere is cold, everywhere is dark. So just manage the reflection of the lights that you'll be seeing, okay? Hey guys! Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? Hope you're great. Oh, so this is Saturday morning. Actually, we're supposed to do some cleanup, but because like I told you in my last video that this place will be moving out of this place as soon as possible, so we're not going to be doing more cleanup like moving and doing other things. We just do few things like washing our clothes and all that. So after that, I'll be heading to the kitchen to prepare food. So you know this food I want to prepare. This sauce I want to prepare is like this sauce made my husband to pay my bride price twice. I know you'll be surprised to hear that, but don't worry, I'm going to show you the delicious. So stay tuned. Um, Stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video thumbs up. Okay. So catch you in the kitchen. If you won't believe how much I bought these carrots, just look at the carrot. This is 1,000 naira carrots. Look at 1,000 naira carrot. This carrot here. This carrot here is 1,000, and this tomatoes here. This is tomatoes. This tomatoes is also 1,009. Look at this thing is not. So guys, so I want to prepare this sauce. Yes, it's been long. This sauce has been hungering me, but I've not had time. So today I want to prepare this sauce. So I said let me carry you guys along. So these are the things I will be using to prepare the sauce. Okay. So just stay tuned. This is my green bean. Just stay tuned. Okay. Don't forget to give this video thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new here. All right. So look at that. Look at that, man. Wow. This looks so yummy. So delicious. Okay, so this is exactly what I want to eat. Okay, so you can use this, eat anything, yam, pasta, spaghetti, rice. Okay, yeah. Please don't forget to like the video, give the video thumbs up. So just take a look. We are done. So look at the goodness and Mexico. So this is the outcome I'm about to eat. About to shower, right? Look at this. Is this not looking yummy? This is looking yummy. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. This is so delicious. This is so delicious. Mm. Mm. Come and join me. Mm. Mm. Oh my God. Um. Hey guys, happy Sunday to you guys. Oh, today is actually Sunday. Yeah, today is Sunday morning. Yeah, I didn't go to church. So it's raining, still raining today. So we just finished eating our Sunday food. I remember that I've not ended this vlog, so I said, okay, let me quickly end the vlog here. How you guys doing? Hope you enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe if you are new to my channel. You can as well share if you feel like sharing. Yes. So stay blessed, stay cool. Yeah, you can hear my kids making noise. I told them that they're not going to show face in today's video because my son always wants to show face each time he sees me carrying camera. I told him today you're not going to show face. It's not every day you will be showing face on my video. So don't forget to give the video thumbs up. Thank you so much for your massive support. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate you guys all over the world. I appreciate you guys. God bless you. See you in my next video. I stay family will say my mommy, my auntie, and my daddy. Thank you, my mommy, my auntie, and my daddy. I stay family TV.
You wake up in the morning and find your life is torn apart. There is sadness on your face, there is pain in your heart. But no matter what the enemy does,